people always talk about, like, how do you know when you make that move, or how do you know when it's time? And I think that happened to me, and I was able to use that as an opportunity. In the back of my head, of course, short sales take forever. We were helping a lot of people, but the checks were slow.
Yeah.
And I ended up, getting most of my income from my full-time job, which was me being a cell phone salesman. So
Okay.
I think I got a lot of my skills from that as well. I sold cell phones. Um, so fast forward to 2012, 2013, still doing it, still selling real estate part-time, um, selling phones full-time. And it got to the point where I hated going to work, because it wasn't really my passion anymore.
Yeah.
Although I met a lot of amazing people, man. I met a lot of great people, uh,
Mm-hmm.
people that I still have relationships with today. Some of my first clients were my coworkers, you know,
Yeah.
but it literally got to the point where I was showing houses on my lunch break.
Really?
I was coming back from my lunch break late because I'm trying to show a house. Um, I would be in the back of the store in the inventory room trying to negotiate a deal with
Wow.
cell phones in my hand because I got to go back out in the front to ring
Mm-hmm.
somebody out.
Wow.
And when my wife and I had our first kid together in 2014, I took the time out. I was on paternity leave. And normally that's what, 2 weeks for the man, if
Yeah.
that. I took about three months, man. And
I'm done.
I just used that time to like hustle
Yeah.
and grind and try to sell as many houses as I could. Um, and I did, so, and people always talk about, like, how do you know when you make that move, or how do you know when it's time? And I think that happened to me, and I was able to use that as an opportunity. In the back of my head, I guess my safety was that I could go back to the job because I was on paternity leave, but I knew I wanted to try to use that opportunity the best way I could.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, I got out there and did that, and I never looked back. I think I did go back to work for like another month or two, and
Mm-hmm.
then I stepped out on faith and just did it.